In this video I'm going to show you how to source and install HESK helpdesk software, which is a free package, and there is also a paid package, but it appears to me to be simply a donation package, because the only difference between the two, as far as I can see, is that you receive the right to remove the powered by links. It's also worth mentioning at this point that there is no affiliate package attached to this, so it is entirely free. So let's go and download the package. Click on download. Right, now we're at the download page. We have to go through the anti-spam procedures. 6 plus 7 equals 13, and we click on download HESK. Now I've downloaded the HESK file to a specific folder I set up for this purpose. I usually do that. I open a separate folder for each download. It makes it easier for me to control. The next thing to do is open the compressed zip folder, and for that I use 7-zip, which is a free zip application, and it's very good. So I just right click on the HESK file, HESK zip file, enter 7-zip, extract. You have several options. I use the extract to the same file name, and there we go. Now we have to upload the contents of the file folder to our site. We're in FileZilla now, which is a free FTP package, which if you need it or want it, you can simply search for it on one of the search engines. I've entered my site name, my user name for the site, and my password. I will click on Quick Connect, and we're into the site. This site is your site on your hosting server. This site is your actual computer you're using at the moment. We go to public HTML, right click, enter directory. Now we need to set up a directory for your HESK helpdesk software. Right click, create directory. Now I will call this one helpdesk. You could call it support or any other name you grabs you. Click OK. If we scroll up, we can see the helpdesk is here now. Now we need to upload the HESK file components to your helpdesk folder. Right click on your helpdesk folder, click on enter directory. You see it's empty at the moment. Let's go over here and get the file contents which we need to upload. Here we have them. Now at this point you need to be careful how you upload them. Although most FTP software, including FileZilla, do an automatic file transfer based on the type of files and the type of transfer. I still like to be sure about it. In this case, this file img needs to be uploaded as a binary file, so I'll go up here, click on transfer type, click binary, right click on the image file, so I assume that's what it is, click on upload, and it goes over here, uploads to your site on the server, hosting server. And while that goes, okay, that file is uploaded now. Now we have to turn to the other files in the package. I will highlight those. I will go to transfer. So I'm a very cautious type of person. This has to be HESK whatever. Right click on it, upload. I've now highlighted the remaining files that need to be uploaded, and I click on transfer type. Still okay, as I expected it to be. Right click here, upload. Okay, they're all uploaded now, so we need to change permissions on 2 of the files to make them writable. Let's see how we do this. We go to this file, HESK settings inc PHP. Right click on it, click on file permissions. It has to be changed to 666. You can do that by simply overriding it, or checking these 2 boxes, which will have the same result. That one's done. Now we need to go to attachments, make it writable. File permissions, this has to go to 777. Check those 2 boxes, it changes to 777. Okay, now we've got everything done at this stage that we need to do. The thing now is to set up now the help desk itself. Now we go to the site where the help desk has been installed, and we enter the details of the help desk as we set them up. Directory help desk, and install. Now we can see the help desk is operational, but we need to complete our details. Click on new install. A new screen comes up. You accept the terms or otherwise, as the case may be. And we see the screen that, I'm pleased to say, has passed all of the setup processes and files. The next thing to do is continue to step 3, where we have to set up the input to database that we've already set up. Now I have the details of the database here. I've now entered all the details if you recall, that we set up during the database creation. That is the database name, database user, database password. There's no need, you should leave this as it is, there's no need to change it unless you plan to set up several help desks on the same database. So we click continue to step 4, and we've successfully set up the database. What you need to do now is go to, simply click on login automatically. The message received is to delete the install folder from your server for security reasons, then refresh this page. That's fine. You just go to back to FileZilla, open the install file, install directory. The install directory, install file has opened now, so select all the 3 content files, delete, I go back to the HESK details and uninstall or delete the install file itself. Right, now go back to this, refresh this page. Now we have the details we need to set up to finish the process. Simply insert details as requested. You could leave that as my website if you like, but I'm going to change it to the name of the actual site, William Malloy, in normal text, no .coms or anything. Here you've got to actually set up, insert the email address you set up in the earlier video. You can actually use any addresses here basically, but obviously it makes sense to use addresses that are most convenient. I would actually, in this case, set up this as an email address because it's one that I use quite often. This one, it's a good idea to set up a no reply email address while you, in the same way you set up this help desk email, although it doesn't confer any special powers on it, not to receive emails for people who send emails to you on it or anything else like that. It does tell them that if they happen to use it, they can't expect a reply. So I have actually set one of them up like that. Now you simply click on Save Changes, and as you can see, the settings have been successfully saved and we're good to go on our help desk. I hope this has been of some use to you, so I'll see what else I can do in future.